Welcome to Thompson Swing Lab, and on this video we'll be doing a quick analysis on BTC. So we'll be starting analysis from the monthly time frame. On the monthly time frame, we could see a candlestick pattern forming. So what pattern is this? We call it the evening star. The evening star. We have this impulsive bullish candle, then we have the spin bar, and we expect that the next month, which is closing in 4 days, should be a bearish candle to the downside, right? So we want to see this candle close like this. So we expect the very next candle should close with an impulsively to the downside, giving us a complete evening star, right? Then going to the weekly time frame, we could see that the market is currently in a downtrend. And how did we know that? Now, previously, the market has been giving us series of impulse to the upside, a retracement, impulse to the upside, a retracement. We have this impulse to the upside, then we have this massive break to the downside, giving us a change of direction. Then we have this retracement to the upside, then we have push down, and we have a retracement, right? So we have been having series of lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So we expect market to continue to the downside. Yes, marking our area of interest, we could clearly see that we have an area at this point. We have an area at this point. It's an area of interest. We could also see an area at this point, and we also have an area at this point, right? So we expect market to move from this very area of interest, to the next area of interest. But then we're on the weekly time frame. How do we get an entry? Let's go to the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, we could see that the market is changing from the bullish trend, impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement, impulse, retracement, impulse. It came to the area of interest, and we have a rejection to the downside. Now we have a rejection to the downside, and we expect the market to push to this area of interest here. So we're expecting BTC to get to $70,000. So how do we get this entry? So we scale down to the lower time frame. Right now, we've seen how this market is reacting at this level. Right now, it's reacting at this level. Right now, what we need to do is to scale down to the 2 hours. Then we can draw our counter trend line, right? You could see that we've had the break. And more of like a retest of the level. So we could get our entry from this current point to the downside. We could get our entry from this current point to the downside, right? So this is a complete analysis for BTC sales.